The Ford Escort 4 Malawian Quatches, introduced in 1986 and continuing production until 1990, represents a key evolution in the Escort lineage, which had already established itself as a popular choice among compact car buyers in Europe. The 1989 model, in particular, is often celebrated for its blend of practicality, performance, and styling that resonated with a wide range of consumers. Exterior design and styling. The 4 Malawian Quatches Escort retained much of the MK3's general design but introduced several refinements that gave it a more modern and aerodynamic appearance. The 1989 Ford Escort 4 Malawian Quatches featured: the bodywork was more aerodynamic compared to its predecessors, with smoother curves and a lower drag coefficient, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. The front fascia was updated with a more integrated grille and larger, flush-mounted headlights, contributing to a sleeker look. The rear featured wraparound tail lights and a more substantial bumper, giving the car a more contemporary and robust stance. The 4 Malawian Quatches was available in multiple trims, including the XR3i, which was particularly popular due to its sportier aesthetics, alloy wheels, and more aggressive body kit. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Ford Escort 4 Malawian Quatches was designed with a focus on driver comfort and practicality. The dashboard layout was simple yet functional, with easy-to-read gauges and controls within easy reach of the driver. The seats offered better support and comfort, particularly in the higher-spec models like the XR3i, which came with sport seats that provided more lateral support during spirited driving. The interior was trimmed with durable materials, although it was relatively Spartan compared to some of its competitors. However, higher-end models featured upgraded upholstery and additional trim elements. Engine and performance. The 1989 Escort 4 Malawian Quatches came with a range of engine options, catering to different markets and consumer preferences. The base models were equipped with economical 1.3L and 1.4L engines, while the XR3i variant boasted a more powerful 1.6L fuel-injected engine, delivering up to 105 horsepower. The XR3i, in particular, was known for its sprightly performance, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 9.0 seconds, making it competitive within the hot hatch segment of its time. The 4 Malawian Quatches Escort featured improved suspension geometry over the 3 Malawian Quatches, offering better handling and ride comfort. The front-wheel drive layout provided predictable and stable handling characteristics, making it an enjoyable car to drive on twisty roads. With its refined aerodynamics and efficient engines, the 4 Malawian Quatches Escort delivered respectable fuel economy, making it an attractive option for both urban and long-distance driving. Technological features. While the Escort 4 Malawian Quatches was not a technological marvel, it did incorporate several features that were advanced for its time. The XR3i model was equipped with EFI, which improved fuel efficiency and throttle response. Basic safety features included crumple zones, side impact bars, and, in some models, the option of anti-lock brakes (ABS), which was quite advanced for a compact car in the late 1980s. Depending on the market, the Escort 4 Malawian Quatches could be fitted with options like a sunroof, air conditioning, and a higher quality sound system. Conclusion. The 1989 Ford Escort 4 Malawian Quatches represents a significant chapter in the Escort's long and storied history. It balanced practicality with performance, offering something for nearly every type of driver. Its blend of sleek design, capable engines, and cultural significance ensures that it remains an iconic and beloved model among Ford enthusiasts and classic car collectors alike.